Okay, so pre-market here. I was watching JSPR since 1250. So literally at this candle here, one of these two candles, it just ripped dramatically for no reason. Uh, no news on it or anything. So pretty interesting that it actually made that move. Crazy move pre-market. Like in two candles, it made over a $3 move here. So where it's at right now, it's pretty extended, I'd say. I mean, it's pulling back to VWAP, which is cool. But the 5 minute, I'd want the 5 minute setup. I'm not gonna trade the first minute. This thing was like a 40-cent spread when I was watching it through this level here. So, see what it does here at open. So could buy here 72. That'd have been a nice trade over 18. 1824 is the high there. I don't want to see this flush through VWAP though. Jesus, I was waiting for a better entry. I was definitely gonna get in on right here on this 1 minute candle. I was gonna get in at 1760, but missed my entry there for sure. That would have been really nice. I could have gotten at 76 anytime at 76, but I just wanted to get a little better entry at 60. Dang. That would have been a nice quick scalp. $17.40 is the VWAP. It's back at 1750. There's 30 now, 20. So hit VWAP. That would have been an amazing entry, especially if I got in here at the bottom as well. I was debating whether I should or not at 1680. 1 minute MACD is curling now, or crossing, so I'm not too sure how I feel about that. I want to see it hold 17 for sure, and then we can see a rip back through 18. But this is already a resistance level here. Got one right there. Let's see, we got another one here, I guess. Somewhere in that range. I'd say it's more right here. Another one right here. Five-minute doesn't look the best. We got 2 more minutes on it though. So if this can cross above this high, 1763, that'd look great. But it's below VWAP right now. It's crossing on the MACD. There's a break lower. I'm gonna buy in here at 92 for the break of 17. Go for the break of the 1 minute high over VWAP. Let's sell here. Still gonna hold, I guess. Selling there. Oh, well, I definitely sold too soon. I'd seen it pop up to, oh, Jesus. I'd seen it pop up to 1730, and I was like, oh, well, it's hitting VWAP. Dang. So I got the break that I wanted, but I sold way too quickly, all the way to 70 now. I definitely would have been up almost $1 a share. That sucks. Could add here. Quick break, but dang, I really regret selling right there. I had such a good position. So this is only like a 30-cent move here. I must have got a better fill on this buy. There's no way that I actually bought in there. 1692, unless I sold at a better position. 1629, 1729 is what it's saying. Okay. Oh, that's so unfortunate though. Hit VWAP, and I'd seen 1730, and it was kind of just there, and I was like, it took a while to break to that level, so I might just sell. It's gonna hit VWAP. I don't want to get in on a flush. I did try to sell multiple times here, but I wasn't filled. Thankfully, actually, because I mean that would have been barely up like $6. But I decided to cancel after I'd seen it broke a little lower. I still wasn't down completely. Like I wasn't down a whole lot. So, uh, yeah. Let's see. I got a message here. Okay, so I have to upgrade my platform. So I missed this whole ride pre-market, but I'm not disappointed, honestly. I'm really not, because the spreads then were like 40, 50 cents. And it had basically no volume. There was like nothing on it. So, I'm not super disappointed that I didn't get in on like any of these trades here. I am disappointed on this one though. I wish I would have held a little longer because I sold at 30 and the high was 70. So that was definitely 40 cent, a 40-cent opportunity that I missed out on. So definitely could have made way more profit here, but sold too quick. Kind of sucks. It's whatever. Could have got in here as well, but I don't know. I didn't feel like getting in. But with that, I mean, I got $100 profit there. Nothing like crazy. Nothing compared to what it could have been. I'm sure I would have been in the 200s. I think if I would have just held a little longer. But uh, honestly, that might just be it for me today. I think I'm just gonna take profits. JSPR is kind of just fading here. It broke its daily high already. Couldn't break above 18 anymore, and now it's just kind of breaking its levels here. So it's breaking below this resistance level or the support line, and it's kind of just looking like it's gonna be on a downtrend. I was hoping that this 5-minute would look better, that it would finish high, and then we could take another entry for the test of the 1850 break. But now it's just breaking lower, so that one's kind of done. Me is popping up on the scans here. ABVC is popping up on the scans. LMFA. LMFA doesn't look too bad. Not a big mover. SNOA. Fading. NRXP. Fading. Or actually not fading, my bad. It has a 1 minute MACD curl. Let's see if it can actually hold above VWAP though. BTBT. Tiger. All right. Uh, Whether JSPR comes back in the afternoon or not, I have no idea. I think I'm just gonna call it because I honestly wasn't even considering trading today. I thought today was gonna be kind of trash, but all of a sudden JSPR starts popping on the scans from 1250 and rides this momentum all the way up to 18, breaks its high pre-market, and then next thing you know, actually no, it breaks its high here, like 2 minutes at open. Could have definitely taken a dip trade here in the beginning. Also could have taken a trade here for the break of this 1 minute high. I just hesitated. I wanted a better entry on this one. That's totally my fault. So I definitely could have made way more money today. Could have taken a third entry here on this candle for the break of this 1 minute high. Again, didn't take it. This one was probably the one that I really regret the most though. Or actually this move that I just made, not holding above that level. I really regret not holding a little longer, but let me see. The first couple minutes, I wasn't going to trade this first minute. I wanted to take a dip entry here at 1660, I think. I know the low is 1658, but I wanted to take it at 1650 or 1660 because that's where I'd seen it. But I don't know. I wasn't sure about it. And the next thing you know, it pops all the way up 17, then 1750, then almost 18. Then this next 1 minute candle just boom, rips through and breaks that level. So this is a stock in which I don't trade normally. Like I would only trade it if it's like 13 and below or something. But I traded this one the other day and I had, a pretty good trade on it. I had a decent sized trade on it and made, I think, 80 bucks on it. So I was comfortable, I guess, trading this one since I've traded it before. I was familiar with it and I kind of knew how I was trading. So I was okay with it. But I do regret, not taking another trade here or taking these beginning trades. So with that being said, I'm just going to wrap it up here. I'm going to call it a day. Take it easy for the rest of the week here, and I'll see you guys next week. Like I said, I might come out with a trade review because we definitely have a couple days just this week in which I, missed really good opportunities, as you already just saw. So we might come out with a trade review this week. If not, depending on how many I have, how many trades, I guess, that I'm going to review, I'll come out with it next week. But I'll see you guys then on Monday, I guess, to see what the market has for us.